Okay, the next item in the project export is undistorted video. As I told you earlier, because we use a fisheye lens for recording RGB, the straight lines are not straight. So as you can see here, these bars are perfectly straight. If you click on the lens distortion, you can make them straight. But if you need to make the entire video undistorted, you have to go to Project, Export, Undistort Video, then choose a directory, and choose a name like VID, click on the Save, and it will start undistorting your video. I have to tell you that this is a very heavy process, so it might take some time and you must be patient. All right, the export is over. I play the video here, and as you can see, all the straight lines seems pretty straight.